Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got another cool looking 1500 Ram. This is the Patriot Blue colour. It's probably my favourite colour out of the 1500 lineup. This one's from Ram Trucks Australia. It's a Ram box model, which is quite popular here in Australia. I think it's great use of space on these vehicles, and yeah, we've done a neat little stage 1 build for Jamie before he shoots up to Fraser Island for his first initial shakedown on this vehicle, and I'll tell you a little bit about what we've done. The stance on this vehicle is on point now, so we've gone for a 3-inch Fox 2.5 DSC remote res kit with the Ironman upper control arms. In the rear is about a 2-inch lift with the HD King springs, as well as the Airbag Man coil helpers. This is just the manual inflation for this kit. When he has the van on the back, he can simply air up a little bit to suit the tow ball weight of his caravan or whatever trailer he's towing. For the 12-volt setup to the tub, we've gone for a simple battery box in the tub powered through a Red Arc BCDC 1250 charger. A great neat little unit located in the Ram box, and this has also got the grey Anderson plug in the tub, the grey Anderson plug to tow bar for the caravan charging, as well as the red Anderson plug inside the Ram box for solar input. So 50 amps of charge while you're running the vehicle. It's a great use of power, charge up the battery quickly and keep his fridge running for a few days at a time. The Offroad Creative front bar on this looks amazing in the colour-coded blue. We've gone for the Stedi light bars included in the bar, so it's a 31-inch Stedi LED light bar, as well as the 2 C4 Cube LED lights from Stedi. This is also running a carbon 12,000 pound winch with a synthetic rope. The light bars in this one is switched through the Switch Pro that we've installed at this time. We've also included a Rhino rack and backbone up on top of the vehicle's roof. The Switch Pro will be here to easily add lighting around the roof rack and any other 12-volt loads he may add down the track. To finish off the exterior of this vehicle, we've gone for the KMC 20-inch by 9 zero offset wheels. So there's a nice matte black colour. You can change the centre caps to a few different colours if you intend. We've also gone for a Toyo Open Country RT tyre. It's a great tyre in a 35, 12.5, 20. So it's going to get him on the road, off-road, be a good all-rounder, not too noisy, and a great fitment on these 1500 Rams. If you're interested in Big Dog Builds fitting up your 1500 Ram, get in touch today. We'd love to hear from you. We've got some nice, neat 12-volt air on board accessories, as well as the front bars from Offroad Creative. We've got a range of winches we can offer, as well as wheels, tyres, suspension combinations to suit your needs. Thanks guys, look forward to hearing from you.